Hello, in front of me I've got CUBOT MAX 3. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Enter security and go to screen lock. Confirm with your current password, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of passwords: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Firstly, let's select none and let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select swipe, pin, password, and in the end pattern. Once it's done, we can set up fingerprint unlock by scanning our fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located right here on the side of the phone. Simply tap the sensor multiple times and each time adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done and let's use it to unlock the phone. In the end, we can set up face unlock. Tap agree, start, and simply scan your face in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.